Hi loves! So today we're going to be putting oranges into resin. Now, this is what these will look like. I have these two done. It's a set of 4. These ones I have to add a top coat on because as you can see, they're not as shiny as I'd like them to be. Since I have been using these molds for a while now, after a while they don't stay shiny like when you first buy them. So I'm gonna add a little top coat to these. So this is what we're going to be doing today. Now first things first, before you wanna even open your resin bottle, make sure you have your proper equipment. Resin is toxic, so you do have to be careful. So here I have these gloves. I used them the last time. You know, I try to reuse my gloves as much as I can. And then make sure you're wearing a mask, something like this. I need to upgrade mine, but for now, this is what I have. And make sure that there's ventilation. So right now, it's raining, but I'm going to open my window. My window's open, and so you're gonna hear the rain, and I'm kind of muffled because now I'm wearing my mask, so sorry about that. So for the resin today, we have unicorn art resin, 1 part hardener and 1 part resin. You see I am almost done with it. So here I have my scale. I got this scale on Amazon. It was a small one, pretty cheap. I think it was like $15. So I'm gonna turn that on, set it down. Okay. Now, this is my cup that I reuse for resin. As you can tell, it has a lot of layers in there. I'll put it on there. I zero it out. So that says 4.69 ounces. Now you double that. Okay, now we have it all measured out. Take it off. Now it is time to mix it. You don't want to mix too fast because a whole bunch of bubbles will start to form. So a nice consistent speed. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to mix it all. As you can see, there's all these streaks within it. Yeah, you want to wait for it to be crystal clear. Okay, now the resin is all mixed. It's not stringy anymore. We're going to let it sit for a while for all the bubbles to come to the top and pop on their own. So just like a couple, 3-5 minutes, let it sit there. I'm gonna cut these oranges into smaller pieces. Now these oranges, I got them from Bunny Co. I'll leave her Instagram up here. Okay, just a little supplies roll call. I will be using gold flake. I got this on Amazon. I will be using these small little gold stars. Got this at Hobby Lobby. And then a little bit of baby's breath. So I have these little tiny solo cups. I got them at Dollar Tree, and this I will be putting the gold coat. Okay, now we break it down. Okay, now we start. We're gonna add a bit of just the clear. Spread it out. Add some of just the gold. Now we're gonna add in the oranges. Adding the flowers. The little stars. Okay, that's what they look like right now. And then tomorrow we will add the top coat. So here I have all 4 of them done. Okay. Now I put liquid latex on the back. You can see that. That's the liquid latex. It's all dry. Left it for 24 hours. Now we're gonna do the top coat, so that these will look glossy instead of looking kind of matte-like. So let's get started on that. The coasters have all now finished drying. You can see that top coat is on there. It looks really nice and glossy. Now it's time to take off the liquid latex. This is the one I used. I got it on Amazon. It was like $9. So yeah, let's do this. I hear it's very satisfying. Now the final step is sanding them down. I got this rotary toolkit on Amazon as well. So now we turn it on. Start moving. And last but not least, I have these little coaster butts that I got off Amazon. So I'm gonna put 4 on the back of each coaster. And this is how they ended up turning out. I'm really happy with the results. I think they looked absolutely beautiful, and I am so excited to ship these out and get them to their next home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all learned something. See you next time.